ENCLAPSലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hi, let's study goods and services taxes. Goods and services taxes was introduced in India on 1st July 2017, merging different indirect taxes imposed by central and state governments. GST included good portion of indirect taxes. Taxes are levied at different stages, starting from production to final consumption of goods and services. To simplify the indirect tax system, principles of single tax in a country, we are moving to the next topic, that is type of goods and services taxes. The central and state government impose GST on goods and services traded within the state. The GST on goods and services taxes are central GST, CGST, state GST, SGST. The tax imposed by the central government is known as central GST, and the tax imposed by the state government is known as state GST. These taxes are collected jointly from the consumers and shared equally by the central and state governments. And GST on interstate trade is imposed and collected by central government. This is known as integrated GST, IGST. The share of the state government on IGST is given by the central government. The next topic is GST rate. In India, GST rate is arranged under 4 slabs: 5%, 12%, 18%, and 28%. Let's study GST Council. Union Finance Minister is the chairman of GST Council, and the member are Union Minister of State in charge of Finance and State Finance Ministers. The GST Council makes recommendations that are taxes, cess, and surcharges that are to be merged into GST. The goods and services that are to be brought under GST. Determining GST rates. The time frame for including excluded items into GST. Determining the tax exemption. Limit on the basis of total turnover. The other two sources of the income to the government are the surcharges and cess. Surcharge is an additional tax on tax amount that is imposed for a certain period of time. Usually, surcharge is imposed as a given percentage on the income tax. Cess is an additional tax for meeting some special purpose of government. Cess is withdrawn once sufficient revenue is collected. We have been discussed the tax revenue of the government. Let's study the sum of the tax imposed by the central, state, and local self-governments. This table explains the tax imposed by central, state, and local governments. Central government imposed corporate tax, personal income tax, central GST. State government imposed land tax, stamp duty, state GST. Local government imposed property tax, professional tax. Hope you understood about revenue sources of government. See you.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ ENCLAPS the Learning App.